Hello friends, welcome back once again to our channel Gurukul. Exercise 7.4 of decimal. Sum number 1, we have to evaluate the following. It is 3.7 into 4.5. Now let us multiply. Now, this is the final answer which we got 1665. Now, the question arises is of where to place the decimal. So, count the number of places the decimal stands here. 1, 2. So, we need to start counting from right hand to left side. 1, 2. So, we will place the decimal here. So, the answer is 16.65. Number 2. 12.08 into 9.3. So now let us solve this. Now how are we going to place the decimal? We are going to count the number of places here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we will place the decimal here. So the final answer is 112.344. Sum number 3. 238.06 into 7.5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 1785.450. Sum number 4. 0.79 into 32.4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 25.596. Sum number 5. Now they have the number is 3.6 into 1.4 into 0.7. That means we have to multiply them step by step. So let us begin with first 3.6 into 1.4. One, two, 1, 2. Now with this answer we will further multiply 0.7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3.528. Sum number 6. We need to multiply 3 times. The first two digits are 9.01 into 2.5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now this number will be further multiplied by 1.6. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the final answer is 36.04. Sum number 2, 1, where we need to divide. The sum is 70.756 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 3, 0. 4 sevens are 28. 2. Now the decimal number will be written on top and we will bring down 7 as usual. 4 6 are 24. 3 bring down 5. 4 8 are 32. 3 bring down 6. 4 9 are 36. No remainder. So the answer is 17.689. Sum number 2. We have to divide 2.46 by 6. Now 2 is smaller than 6, so not divisible. So we will write 0 here. Decimal will be shifted up. Now we get the number 24. 6 4s are 24. Nothing here. We'll bring down 6. 6 1s are 6. So the answer is 0.41. Sum number 3. We need to divide 3.016 by 8. Again 3 is not divisible. We will write a 0 here. Decimal will be shifted up. Now we have 30. So 3 8s are 24. 6 1. 8 7 8s are 56. 5 we will bring down 6. 8 7s are 56. So the answer is 0.377. Now sum number 4 is a little different from the rest. How? I am going to explain it to you. It is, we have to divide 8.64 by 3.6. So in both the cases we have decimal. So what we are going to do is, we will shift decimal to one place here, and similarly we are going to shift decimal to one place here. So it becomes 86.4 divided by 36. So now let us arrange this. 86.4 divided by 36. 36 2s are 72. 4. We will write the decimal on top. Bring down 4 1 here. Okay. 144. 36. 4s are 144. No remainder here. So the answer is 2.4. Sum number 5, again the same thing. 72.8 divided by 0.04. So we will shift decimal place. Alright. So here 1, 2. 2 places. So here 1 and 2. That means we are going to add a 0 here. So that will come down to 7280 divided by 4. So now let us arrange this. 7280 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 3, 2. 4 8s are 32. Nothing here. We'll bring down 8. 4 2s are 8. Nothing here. And 0 we will copy up. So the final answer is 1820. Sum number 6. 0.144 divided by 0.02. So we are going to shift the decimal in both the cases. 1, 2 come to the end. 1, 2 will come here. So now it becomes 14.4 divided by 2. So let us arrange this. 14.4 divided by 2. So what I am going to try to explain it to you friends, that always remember that the quotient should always be in a whole number. So our target is to remove the decimal from the quotient. So 2 sevens are 14. No remainder. We'll shift decimal up. Bring down 4. 2 twos are 4. So the answer is 7.2. Now, sum number 3. We have to multiply each of the following numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. So the first number is 4.7 into 10. That means we will shift decimal to one place. That becomes 47. Next is 4.7 into 100. So we will shift decimal to two places. That becomes 470. Then 4.7 into 1000. That means 4712 is the answer. Next, number 2. 3.45 into 10. That means decimal will be shifted to one place. That will become 334.5. Next is 3.45 into 100. The decimal will be shifted to two places. That will become 345. Now is 3.45 into 1000. Again we will shift to three places. So the answer will be 3450. 0.234 into 10. That means we will shift to one place. The answer will be 2.34. Next is 0.234 into 100. That means we are shifting to two places. So the answer will be 23.4. Next is 0.234 into 1000. That means the entire digit will be shifted to three places and the answer will be 234. Now, question number 4. 1. We have to divide each of the following numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. So the first number is 4.7, which we have to divide by 10. That means the decimal will be moving towards the left hand side. So the answer will be 0.47. Now 4.7 has to be divided by 100. That means decimal will move to the left hand side to two places. So the answer will be 0.047. Next is 4.7 by 1000. So the answer will be 0.0047. Part 2 of question number 4. We have to divide 3.45 by 10. So the answer will be, we'll be shifting to left hand side to one place, 0.345. Now we have to divide 3.45 by 100. So the answer will be 0.0345. Next is 3.45 by 1000. So the answer will be 0.00345. Next, sum number 3, we have to divide 23.01 by 10. So the answer will be 2.301. Now 23.01 will be divided by 100. So the answer will be 0.2301. Next, 23.01 by 1000. So the answer will be 0.02301. Okay. Now we come to the last sum almost towards the end of the exercise 7.4, sum number 5, subpart 1. It says we have to find the value of 3.5 square. That means 3.5 into 3.5, which, so let us arrange it this way and solve it. Decimal place is 1, 2, 1, 2. So 12.25 is the answer. Second part is 0.4 to the power cube. That means we have to multiply 0.4 3 times. So 0.4 into 0.4, that gives us 16. 1, 2, 1, 2, we'll place the decimal here. This again into 0.4. So we will get the answer 64. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and decimal. This is the answer. So here we come to the end of exercise 7.4. Thank you. Thank you friends for watching my video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.